Good morning parents and good morning kids. Welcome to this video. So this video is all about Independence Day celebration. So by seeing the flag itself you all might have guessed it, right? So before that we are going to celebrate our Independence Day, that is a national festival on this Saturday. So you all are very excited for that celebration, right? So we are going to do an interesting activity on that day also. So that one only I am going to explain in this video. Before that, I'll explain what is Independence Day to the kids, okay? So Independence Day is a national festival. So the whole national, like whole India will be celebrating this festival because on this day only we got our independence. What we got? Independence, okay? From British people, from foreigners, we got this independence on this day, on August 15th only we got that. And so resemblance of that only we are celebrating Independence Day. So for Independence Day, what is the important thing? Flag is very important. So this is our national flag. What it is? This is a national flag. So national flag consists of 3 colors. So can you see the 3 colors? Yes, you all know the 3 colors. So I'll explain one color. So first one is saffron. This color is saffron. In the middle what you have? You have white color. Next in the down green color. So saffron, white and green. What are the 3 colors? Saffron, white and green. So in the middle, next what you have? You have Ashoka Chakra. So Ashoka Chakra consists of 24 lines. You can see here. Ashoka Chakra consists of 24 lines inside this, and it is around middle of this white, okay? So first one is saffron, white and green. What are the 3 colors? Saffron, white and green. And now Ashoka Chakra will be in dark blue color. So this is all about our national flag. Now we'll move on to the activity. So for doing this activity, these are the materials you need. We are going to make a flag. We are going to make a flag. So for doing this activity, I have taken so many materials. I'll explain it one by one. You need white sheet chart paper. Like this size you can take a sheet of chart paper or white sheet of paper. If it is chart paper, it will be better. It will be so stiff, then you can use this. Next you need a circle like this. So which circular object you have, that one you can take and draw a circle in the middle. So the circle should come in the middle of the page. And put a circle. Then inside what I told, inside circle what I told, you have to draw 24 lines inside the circle. So for that, draw lines using your scale. When you draw with your scale, your drawing, whatever drawing you are doing, it will come properly. So count and do, parents, count and give them and make them draw this part. So draw it properly, then only you will get the lines. And inside two lines you can put. So totally 24 lines should come. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So after drawing the lines, you will get the Ashoka Chakra likewise. In this 24 lines will be there. How many lines? 24 lines. And now take your blue color crayon. Blue color crayon which inside the lines you have to draw. So in the line vanjirkinglo, above that itself you have to draw likewise. So you should count and draw. Then you will get the proper lines, okay? Use dark blue color, don't use any light colors. So this dark blue you have to draw. After drawing the circle also you can make it in blue color. So when you go through the outline, you will get a proper circle likewise. So this is the like starting part of this activity. So parents, this process you should be ready on this Saturday. Only this one, these 3 lines and this Ashoka Chakra you can draw and give them, and kids can trace on with dark blue color. So this process should be ready before the celebration starts. So after doing this, you'll get likewise, see, you'll get a flag, like flag type in a sheet of paper with 3 lines and 1 Ashoka Chakra. So next step is you need cotton. I'm going to take cotton now. Two cottons you can give to your kids, one for orange, like one for saffron, the other for green, and they're going to do printing with this. So take the color and this cotton, dip inside the saffron likewise, and then print on this paper. So this one you should not do. So parents, kindly don't make the kids to do this activity, I mean this process. This one they have to do on the Google Meet only. So live session only they have to do. We'll be instructing, and that time you can make your kids to do this process. So likewise you have to take the cotton, dip inside, and then print over the top. So first color, what it is? Saffron. Kids, repeat after me. Saffron. What are the 3 colors in the flag? Saffron, green, white and green. Saffron, white and green. So when you mix more water, the consistency will come properly. So dip inside and then print. Dip inside and then print likewise. So there should be no gap. This white should not be seen. So likewise your kids have to print on Saturday. So this should be done on Saturday only. So saffron we did. So likewise they have to print on the top. Next down, in the middle already we have white color. So no need to do with white color. Then down what color? Green color. So here I have already mixed and kept. Dip inside the green and then print over here. So you can print it little slowly. So this is green color. So it is very beautiful. No, when you complete it fully, your flag will come so beautiful. You can make the kids to view this video, and you can also view this and make the things ready. So it will be easy for you to do on the celebration time. You can also explain them about the Independence Day, like how they understand. You can explain them, they will also know about that. So slowly print on this chart paper. So kids, while printing, how you should print? Beyond this line the color shouldn't go. Inside only you have to print. So this is green color. What are the 3 colors? Saffron, white and green. Saffron, white and green. And the middle circle, what its name? Its name is Ashoka Chakra. Its name is Ashoka Chakra. So see, this is how you will get after printing. Saffron, white and green. So this is not the last part. One more part is there. So that I am going to show you now. For that you have to take a sheet of paper, like I told you before itself. You can take any used paper, and that paper you're going to fold it like for stick. We are going to make a stick likewise. So like this stick for the flag to stand. For making the flag to stand, we are going to make a stick likewise. For that only this sheet of paper we are going to use. From this corner you can just roll it inside. So little bit small you can roll into small circle. When you roll it, you will get a big stick, and show you how. So if possible, you can also make this process keep ready. It will be easy on that day for you to stick it on the flag. Then after folding likewise, this at the other corner, using Fevicol you have to stick. You can apply the Fevicol in one corner and then stick over the paper. So when you roll it, the paper will get stick lengthwise. So we got the stick now. One big stick you will get like this. If you fold a little smaller one, you can get this one. I have folded little bigger, so this stick is little big. Then what you have to do is, in the down, you can just fold it off, and then you can put a cap. Down you can put a cap, and then you can push it inside likewise. And then for placing this flag, you need a paper cup with mud filled in it. So paper cup with mud filled in it. Okay, so with this only we can make a stand. So now this is dried, and what you have to do is, before itself, this already we did this folding you have to stick and keep, then only it will get inserted properly. So I'll show in this. So this, I left a space here. This one you can just fold it, and in the corners you can apply Fevicol. In the corners you can put Fevicol, and then you can stick it here. So when you complete this printing work and all, it will get dried up, and it will be easy for you to insert inside. Okay, so now the stick I'm going to insert it inside likewise. You can do it slowly. Yeah, see, after inserting you will likewise. I hope you are able to see that. And now I'm going to put it inside the mud. So it is like a stand. You can inside the cap, and then you can make the flag stand like this. So this is the activity we are going to do on our August 14 on behalf of Independence Day celebration. So it is a very easy. Once again I'll explain to the parents how to do that. In a sheet of paper you have to draw 3 lines. One is for saffron, white and green. So this one you have to keep it ready before itself. When you keep it ready, it will be easy for the kids to do on that day. And Ashoka Chakra also you can draw and keep. And this side you have to take a small small space you have to take and fold it back. So before doing the printing itself, you can fold that back. And what your kid are going to do, they are going to dip inside the cotton, and then they are going to do the saffron green color. So this will be done on the live session. And next we did this holding stand. So this also will do on the live only. This one they have to do. And one pen cap, mud paper cup with mud. Okay, so these are the things you have to need for doing this flag. So it's a very interesting and easy activity. So parents, kindly make the arrangements and be ready with the kids on this Saturday. So we all will meet you on that day. Thank you.